Rain in the schoolyard. The bell rings. Ting, ting, ting. Across the yard where clouds hang heavy, folding the sky in gray. Rain begins. Tick, tick, tick. On the tin roof, on the flagpole, on the steps, each drop chasing another until puddles bloom. I ran across the hallway. Plack, plack. Slippers smacking against the cold tiles, while laughter trails behind me, bright and quick as a chug chug of wet shoes. Chairs scrape, krk, krk, pulled close in a restless chorus. The fan hums, whir, whir. Its slow circles heavy with damp air. Thunder stirs, tug tug, rolling far away like a drum too tired to finish its beat. The smell rises, wet soil, crushed leaves, chalk dust, a mixture so ordinary yet warm, like the old nipa hut after sudden rain, when silence carries both comfort and weight. Clouds loosen, a little at a time. Sunlight slips through, kutitap, kutitap, resting gently on our damp hands, soft as a cat curling awake on the window sill. Backpack shuffle, zippers zip, jacket swish. We step into the yard made new. Vendors calling. Taho, balot. Jeepneys answering. Beep beep on the road. A rooster reminding us. Tiktilaok! That the day is still young. Years will pass and lessons fade, but these sounds will not. The slap of wet slippers on tile, the heavy hum of the fan, the racing of raindrops across a roof, and the sharp, clean air after rain. Little things that stay long after childhood runs ahead.